Ran by Lowe's this weekend to pick up some screws for my Kreg jig and also to grab a couple of pieces of treated lumber. While I was looking at the Kreg section, I noticed a bunch of clearance tags on the bottom of the shelf. I couldn't find the products at first, but they were back under the shelf behind a box. I finally found them. You can see there they're all polishing related. Two of the items were $1.77 each. Two were $2.87. The first item here, it's a 6-inch buffing polisher wheel set. I ended up getting this for $2.87. This you would hook to a grinder. Still online, it shows as $10.98, although it did ring up at $2.87, which matched the tag I saw in store. The next one is more same thing. It's just a 4-inch version. I got this one for $1.77. It still rings up online for $7.38, so that's a pretty significant savings there. This next one, I'm going to swap these two around. Actually, this is like a polishing kit meant to go on a drill. There's a little pad and a little piece that goes into your cordless drill, and then you can put the polishing pads or comes with a couple of pads on it. And this one actually rings up correct. It rang up for $1.77, and that's what it shows on the app also. Again, I'm not in the store when I'm scanning these, so that's probably going to be, I believe they all ring up correctly in store. And this one's $2.87. To be honest, I think that this one isn't the value. The previous one's the value there. That was $1.77.